Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Fitia Rahmawati. Nick number 190207002. Here I will tell the monkey and crocodile. It was a beautiful lake surrounded by lush green grass, beautiful trees, moss and sweet, tasty jamus trees. There lay a monkey and one of the jamus trees looked near the lake. The lake also had a few crocodiles. There was one crocodile that used to collect the jamus fruit from the lake that fall from the tree. As the crocodile reached the jamus trees every day, it became friends with monkey, crocodile, and monkey meet every day. The monkey had crocodile while provide moss and fish. Jamus fruit from the tree. The relationship continued and became chaos spice. One day, the monkey asked the crocodile to give some jamus fruit to his wife and family, as the fruit were more delicious. The crocodile agreed and took a lot of jamus fruit to his wife. His wife was so happy and surprised that she never ate so delicious fruit so far. She inquired her husband where he got this fruit. The crocodile thought he had his friend monkey, who lived in a giant jamus tree, captured from him. The wise crocodile made a plan in her mind. She asked her husband, "Does your friend eat this fruit every day?" The crocodile replied, "Yes." She ate, "Oh my God, these are the sweet fruit we ever ate. Imagine how delicious the monkey has while still eat the fruit day. I need the help of your friend. Can you please bring it from me?" The crocodile was so full. "This is from its point," he replied. "But it is my close friend I smile. Not though this day." The big crocodile told him, "Don't worry, you bring him here, I will take care, or I will say you here, I will then take care, or else you mind to drink place. Him don't dare water it, he does not know swimming." After a long time, the crocodile agreed to bring monkey to the wave. The next day, crocodile knocked monkey to join them to take and eat or his the fish, and but worrying that the monkey did not know now to swim in the lake. Crocodile, "I'm thinking about monkey. Sarah," said monkey, and told him, "Don't worry, I will come to you. But and will take you for safety too." The monkey asked, and crocodile brought him to his hand on his back on the water as the breast fed. When the crocodile tried to pass monkey down into the water, however, monkey held the crocodile tightly and did not fall. Monkey could suspicious about crocodile and asked him to tell the fruit science. Crocodile believed him as his good friend. He told about the conversation and the fight his fox had with him, and he was begging monkey to eat his head. The intelligent monkey said, "Oh my dear friend, you are on one of those friends of Idri, as I once scare it if I further long if you take My pet, I can give you my heart. Crocodile escaped and when the one step to the lake as the reach the tree where the monkey lived. The monkey ran quickly and escaped from the crocodile. You said at crocodile, I thought you as a good friend, but tell me, I will never bet never. You can. The crocodile understand. It wish and flit back home empty and losing a good friend. Thank you very much.